Welcome back to CodeChef. You've learned the basics of creating and accessing dictionaries. But what if you need to safely get a value without risking an error, or efficiently combine two dictionaries? Python gives us a set of powerful built-in methods to handle these exact tasks. Today, we're going to explore the most useful dictionary methods that will make your code safer and more efficient. Let's use a very basic example. Imagine a locker room where each locker has a unique number. Using square brackets to access a locker is like walking straight to a locker number. If that locker doesn't exist, you hit a wall. But the get method is like asking the attendant if that locker number is assigned. If it's not, they simply tell you that locker isn't here. The update method is like getting a brand new set of lockers for a new class and adding them to your existing setup. It's an efficient way to merge all your data at once. In this tutorial, you will learn the following essential concepts: get method, set default, update, clear, copy, keys view, values view, and items view. Dictionary methods are built-in functions that perform specific operations on a dictionary. They are called using dot notation, like my _dict.get. Using these methods helps us perform common tasks without writing a lot of custom code. They're a fundamental part of Python's power, giving us a clean way to interact with our data. Let's see these methods in action with our user dictionary. The get method is our safe way to access a value. If the key exists, it returns the value. If not, it returns none by default, preventing an error. You can even provide a custom default value, like the string guessed. The setDefault method is similar, but it will also add the key value pair to the dictionary if it doesn't already exist. To update a dictionary with another one, we use the update method. This is perfect for merging two sets of data. To remove all items, use the clear method, which makes the dictionary empty. The copy method creates a separate copy of the dictionary. Changes to the new copy won't affect the original. Finally, we have the view methods: keys, values, and items. These methods give us a dynamic view of the dictionary's contents that we can convert into a list to use in loops or other operations. These methods are incredibly useful in the real world. User profiles. Use update to merge new user settings from a form submission. API data. Use get to safely retrieve information from a data source that might have missing keys. Understanding these methods helps you write more robust and readable code. Here is a dictionary named Student Grades with grades for Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Your challenge is to update Bob's grade to 95 and add a new student, David, with a grade of 88, all in a single step. The best way to do this is with the .update method. We call the method on our dictionary and pass it a new dictionary containing both the grade we want to change for Bob and the new student, David. Now we'll print the updated dictionary. As you can see, Bob's grade was changed and David was successfully added, all with one simple method call. Nicely done. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Use get for safe lookups and update to merge. Copy creates a separate dictionary. Clear empties the dictionary. View methods like keys, values, and items give you a dynamic look at your data. These methods are your go-to tools for working with dictionaries. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.